Hello. Welcome to Bella Bean's Chinese Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very healthy soybean recipe. That is soybean salad. The main ingredients are soybeans, cucumbers, carrots, garlic, chili oil, some inner leaves of a Napa hat, and others are shown on the photo. The soya beans were soaked in the cold water for 12 hours. Now, I put a layer of the soya beans in the steamer cloth. So, it is very important to soak the soya beans in the cold water for 12 hours before we steam. Then I cover the steamer and steam for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I wash and clean cucumbers, and peel and clean carrots, then I wash the Napa leaves. These Napa leaves are from inner part of a Napa hat, so they are very easy to clean. And they are very good for making salad. Next, I slice and then cut the carrots into small bits. The size of the bits depends on what you like. If you like smaller bits, you cut them into smaller ones. If you like big bits, then you cut them into big ones, as long as they are easy to chew. The reason I use baby carrots is the baby carrots are softer than the big one, so they are very good to make salad. Next, I slice and then cut the Napa leaves into small bits too. These bits can be little bigger than the carrot bits because the Napa leaves are easy chewing. Next, I cut cucumber into small bits too. Now, my vegetable bits are ready. Then I press and chop the garlic cloves. Now, my steamer already steamed for 30 minutes. Let's turn off the heat and open the cover. Now, the soya beans looked like this. They are very softer if you try some. Now, I add the beans into the vegetable container. Then I add in salt, add in sugar, add in vinegar, add in light soya sauce, add in sesame oil, add in chili oil. I have a method to make chili oil in cucumber salad video. I put a link below. Then stir to mix everything well. Then I tried a little bit of this salad. I found everything is good. If you feel it is light, you can add in salt and soy sauce and vinegar. Then I add in the chopped garlic. Stir to mix everything well. Now I'm ready to do a transfer. Now I transfer the salad into a big plate. As you know, the soya beans are very good vegetable proteins. They are very good to the health. If you eat more this salad, will give you a very, very good nutritious element. And this cooking method for soya beans is a very healthy cooking method too. That's why I like to share this recipe to you, my friends. I wish you keep healthy and happy every day. Thank you for your watching. If you like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification. Then you will never miss any of my recipes. Bye bye. See you next time.